Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken korma, a very basic recipe of chicken korma. It's one of the most popular dishes in Indian subcontinent. It's a special dish in which chicken is cooked in spices and braised with yogurt and fried onion paste. This chicken recipe has a wonderful aroma of whole spices that are essence of its delectable curry. So let's get started. For making this mouth-watering chicken korma, I have taken 2 onions sliced and caramelized, 1.5 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 5 to 6 whole peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, curd half cup and cooking oil 3 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and chicken I have taken 1 kg. I have taken legs, you can take of any cut, a small bunch of coriander, chopped coriander, and 3 to 4 green chilies sliced lengthwise. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and added whole spices, cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and bay leaf. Saute them and then add ginger garlic paste. Saute them nicely and then add chicken. Mix properly, cover it and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And after 2 to 3 minutes, now add salt and all ground spices like chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Mix properly, cover it and let it cook for around 10 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, I have blended onions. Now mix fried onion paste with yogurt. Mix properly to a smooth paste like this. Back to chicken. It has been cooking on low flame for around some time. Now I'll be adding yogurt and onion paste to it. Mix properly and let it cook for around 15 minutes on low flame. This will form the base of the gravy. So after 15 minutes, chicken is almost done. So at this stage, I'll add chopped coriander and green chilies and keep on high flame or else chicken will become too soft and it will fall off the bones. Keep on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. And at this stage check the consistency of gravy and you can add water if you want more gravy and salt according to your taste. The chicken korma is ready. Now dish it out and serve it hot with rice or roti. It has a very distinctive taste and tastes marvelous. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.